Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debaru, and today we're coming at you with another video for a CPA affiliate network review. It's going to be on the network Spicy Offers. We're going to be taking a look at some of the different verticals that they're in, some of the different geos that they're in, and learning a lot more about them. So with that being said, I hope you're excited. I am, and I want to go ahead and show you more. With that being said, guys, if you haven't already, please sign up for the AFK forum by using the link in the description below. There's already over 1,000 active members in there sharing a lot of great information you're not going to want to miss out on. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here we are, Spicy Offers homepage. Let's go ahead and take a deeper look and see everything that they have to offer here. So right off on the main screen here, it looks like it says accelerate your conversions, increase your revenue, and then it's just going to have a big blue apply button here. So if you haven't already signed up, you can go ahead and go through the steps right there. But let's scroll down and let's take a deeper look into the actual network and see what all they have to say. So it looks like they already have 10,000 plus business partners already trusting Spicy Offers. Some of them include Amazon, Revolut, Medic, Together Network, Norton, and Mega Casino. So definitely some big names in the industries here. It looks like they're partnered up with them and using them as well. Hashtag performance, global next-gen performance network with offices and experienced teams in several strategic cities as well as business relationships all around the world. Spicy Offers empowers advertisers and publishers to effectively develop their business worldwide. We provide them with all their needed capabilities, resources, and tools to evolve, and this by collaborating with one single and effective self-serve platform focused on performance. So it looks like they really are proud of having an experienced team with a strong background in technology and affiliate marketing. Spicy Offers develops everything in-house. In addition to our proprietary platform, we are proud to propose cutting-edge profit-centric technology named SmartFlex, smart tools and unique advanced features. So with that, it looks like they do have an experienced team. It looks like you would be getting an affiliate manager who is in the business as well. They know what they're doing. They know how to answer your questions that you might have around the networks, the offers, maybe the traffic, angling, different things like that. That's always a really big plus, guys, because some networks they'll either kind of maybe ghost you or don't give you too much support for yourself. So it's nice to be able to have an affiliate manager who is very knowledgeable and can help you out in these situations and is eager to help you out in these situations. It also looks like they offer tools too, so maybe it looks like they have some smart tools, maybe some smart links and different things like that. We'll take a look at that whenever we actually get into the dashboard here in just a second. But let's see what else they say here. It's Swiss made. It looks like they specialized in media buying and audience monetization since 2007. Flex Multimedia is the reputable Swiss group behind Spicy Offers. More than just another simple player on the market, Spicy Offers' mission is to raise the average performance, increase quality, and propose a new standard of affiliate network by cherishing strong values such as excellence, innovation, precision, and trust. And it looks like this is just where you sign up either for advertiser or a publisher. Last month on Spicy Offers, so 1 month ago, they monetized over 200 countries with over 1,800 CPA offers and did 3,000 million hits, 3 billion hits, something like that, and 600 million qualified leads. Spicy offers a future standard of affiliate marketing. We choose quality to achieve excellence. Concerned about all forbidden practices the affiliate marketing industry is facing these days, Spicy Offer is adopting a responsible behavior in each step and services provided. This starts with a thorough selection process of all advertisers and publishers, applicants. We work only direct with offer owners and publishers, and this is an essential prerequisite for keeping a network of top-notch quality. Looks like they innovate. They're committed to staying a trusted, innovative, and intuitive all-in-one marketplace. They believe in affiliate marketing. So that's kind of what the homepage has here for us. Just kind of tells them more about us, that they're basically really into affiliate marketing. They've been doing it since 2007, so a really long time. That's always good to know that this isn't like some company that just popped up like a month ago and trying to run offers. These are people that have been in the industry since 2007. They've rolled with all the punches, all the ups and downs, all the changes, and they're still here. So that's always good to know. But let's see if there's anything good on here. Looks like they're in Geneva, Luxembourg, Barcelona, and Portugal. If you want to apply, you can. Some social stuff. Let's see if they have any more publisher information here for us. Think optimization, enjoy revenue. It looks like these are just some affiliate marketers that are using them currently. Some reviews. Fastest daily payments of the industry. They offer payments on time, every time, with the choice of wire, PayPal, Paxum, and e-payments. So it looks like you have multiple options here for getting paid, which is always nice. They offer Smart Link and Smart Tools like we went over a minute ago. No shaving, no bullshit. Get paid for every conversion. So they say they don't do any shaving. They offer exclusive in-house CPA offers, meaning they make some of their own CPA offers. You're not going to find these ones anywhere else. These are their own landing pages, their own products sometimes, and you're not going to find them anywhere else. So that's kind of cool that you can find some unique offers here. And just looks like some performance stuff, intuitive platform, top-notch support again. So again, guys, it's really great to be able to have a knowledgeable, friendly affiliate manager or support that you can always talk to. And it looks like that's about it. 85% of publishers successfully increase their revenue within the first 3 months. And it looks like these are just some tracking partners that they're with, as well as some ad networks that they're with as well. But with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the network here. This is going to be the dashboard, guys. This is what it looks like when you get accepted once you log in for the first time. So it looks like up at the top, they're just going to show you some fresh offers, some new offers probably that they just added to the network here. And then at the bottom, you're going to be able to see statistics for today, yesterday, the last 7 days, monthly. Over here, looks like you can change it for all these different filters. A little more stats. And then again, some fresh offers over here. So it looks like they have a lot of sweepstake offers that you can see that people are, that they're adding. And then the suggested offers, these look like maybe some that are running good. So it looks like they have some keto, so health ones, some adult ones. Park and Save New Zealand, looks like that's one of their top offers. Definitely something to look at. New Zealand is great. I love New Zealand. On the left-hand side, it looks like it just shows some account manager information. So again, this is the support. Looks like you can contact with Skype. I usually love contacting them by Skype. It's a lot quicker. I would not recommend emailing them if they have a Skype option. Skype them, guys. It's extremely quick. But on the left-hand side, it looks like they have offers, smart links, the links that you might have already set up. Let's take a look at some reports again, just kind of see. So it just shows daily reports here, a little bit more breakdown. You can see source ID and geos, what offers are converting as well. So my links looks like it's just a link that's been set up for smart links. So this would be your smart link. You can get the code here, kind of edit it, all those great things. If you want to create a smart link, this is where you would do it. Looks like they have one for mainstream as well as for adult. So I give you two options. That's always really nice. But let's take a look at some of the actual offers here. So it looks like they have it broken down where you can see all the offers, in-house offers, and the exclusive offers. I'm interested in some of the in-house offers that they have. So it looks like they have some itch solutions, so some of their own products, beauty stuff. Let's see, cost for sign up. So just like a few options here. What about for exclusive? So it looks like the exclusive ones are going to be for the dating. And over here, looks like we can filter by device, flow, so single opt-in, double opt-in, install. If it's incentive, You can do by countries and looks like verticals. Let's see what sweepstakes they have. So it looks like these are all the sweepstake offers. Got some Amazon, some Disneyland, Samsung, some supermarket ones. Those are always nice. I like running supermarket ones. iPhones. Everyone likes iPhones. Samsung phone. The Fold. It's kind of a new phone. So it looks like they have a lot of different options here in terms of sweepstakes. I'm going to filter it for United States real quick, just so if I want to look at a landing page with you guys, I can without using a VPN. Okay, so it looks like this one I'm not approved for. You would have to subscribe for it. It's going to show, looks like some screenshots of actual landing pages, so I wouldn't need a VPN anyway. Looks like it's just an email. Here's the tablet view as well as the mobile view. So it's nice that they show you all the different views. This one is for a credit card submit, free trial. It pays $22.40. It's for Canada and the United States. Here's some of the information, restrictions, all that good stuff. So it looks like they offer social media traffic, paid traffic. It's on Android, pretty much all that stuff, all that good stuff. Pays the same no matter where. So that's that. So it's kind of nice that they show that. Let's go back to the other offers. I want to just see, knowing that, I want to see what else I can take a look at here. Let's see what this Amazon one looks like. So this one pays $1.20. So that one I wasn't subscribed to. I accidentally hit subscribe, so it looks like I'm pending for it now. It didn't ask me for any other information. So maybe the affiliate manager will reach out or they'll just approve me. But so this is the Amazon one. It's pretty straightforward. Looks like they kind of have this kind of layout on a lot of other networks. Again, just some payout information. It's for Italy. Only this geo, and then some source information. So it looks like a pretty nice network here. Lots of offers, it looks like, a lot of sweepstakes, a lot of different verticals. That's really nice. Earlier they said last month they optimized, or they monetized over 200 countries. So it's nice that they give you the option to monetize in everywhere. You know, everyone wants to spend money. Everyone's, you know, on the internet trying to do the sweepstakes, all those different signups, all that good stuff. So it's nice that they offer geos everywhere, so you're not, you know, limited to only a few countries. And that looks like this is just kind of be where you would set up any kind of your cash out information. Earlier, like I said, you would be able to do the options for the payments that we went over. So they offer multiple payment options. It looks like they have tons of different verticals, as well as they're in tons of different geos. That's really nice. They offer smart links. A lot of people like doing the smart links. I know I like using smart links for mainstream. I haven't done too much of the adult stuff. But it looks like they are a really nice network here. It's something that I would definitely recommend if you haven't signed up, to sign up and check out some of their offers. I'm definitely going to start running some offers on this network now too. Now that I've seen them, I would definitely recommend signing up and kind of taking a look yourself. And with that being said, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you haven't already signed up for the AFK forum, sign up by using the description in the link below. A lot of active subscribers there, a lot of great people there sharing information, sharing their journeys, a lot of coaches sharing information there that you're not going to find anywhere else. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.